I'll show you the steps on how you can create a WhatsApp channel on your Android phone or an iPhone. WhatsApp channels are a game changer for people who want to share updates with an audience, and this is especially useful if you're running a business, or if you're a content creator who wants to keep your followers updated with your latest posts and announcements. The first thing which we need to do is to open the WhatsApp application and then navigate over to the Updates section. You should see a bunch of WhatsApp channels appear on this page, but I'm going to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this page and then tap on Create Channel. Continue. And our job now is to add a channel photo or a profile picture. So I'll quickly add one from my photo gallery. After that, you're going to add a name to the channel, and I'll name mine App Tutor, just as an example. You can then write something for the description, explain what this channel is about, what you're going to be sharing in this channel, and similar. Once you fill out all the necessary information about your channel, click on Create Channel. And as you can see, my WhatsApp channel has been created. You can now share your channel link by copying it or sending the channel link to your friends or family members in WhatsApp and grow your community. Thanks for watching this video, and check out my other WhatsApp tutorial videos from the channel.